Nityanandam. My name is Manitya Nirbhayananda Swami from Nityananda Peetam, Rajapalayam Adinam. Today I wanted to share about what is Tyaga. Once when I was in Madurai, Swamiji had told few of the sannyasis to do the Shiva Seva, that is offering milk in the Shiva temple, which is the temple which is in Srivilliputturu. The temple name is called Vaidyanatha Swami temple. Swamiji explained what is Tyaga at that time. See, a person who put the seed in the land and he grows it by irrigation. He puts water for the plant and he cuts the plant and put for the cow, and the cow gives milk and he takes the milk and make a curd. From the curd he makes the ghee and offer it to Sadashiva. So from the seed to Shiva Prasada, it is taking responsibility for each and every action, whatever is happening. There will be in between period, there will be so many environmental situations. There will be rain, there will be no rain, there will be wind, and so many things. In case of agri, we have to make canal, we have to irrigate, so many things are there. So it is, the main context is here is from the beginning to the end, taking responsibility for an action, for a reality, and making it happen with a lot of patience. So Swamiji told, let those kind of people do seva for me. Those kind of people who are in the space of Tyaga, let them do seva for me. That is not expecting anything. Always, Vijnana Bhairava Tantra says, always you see what you have done to the Sangha more than you expecting something from the master. And it is always, and Swamiji always used to say that, how you treat the Sangha, the same way only the Sangha will treat you. And in the same way, how we hold Sadashiva, in the same way only Sadashiva is going to hold us. So this is what I am living. This is what I understood as Tyaga, living for others, taking responsibility from starting to the end. So it becomes a reality, and the nature of Tyaga is it's that lot of maturity to a being, and it is not that this Tyaga, this sannyas can happen simply to a being. Swamiji was saying, when Swamiji was talking about sannyas, a being which has experienced a lot of sufferings, lot of outer world life, and after so long, after so many, the one which has seen all the outer world joy, or it cannot say joy, the so-called happiness, and the outer world relationship, and the family, and other thing. The being which has gone through all this for janmas, only that being only those being can decide to take up sannyas. And Sri Ramakrishna also says, living simply, living with Tyaga, living simply, living ordinarily is an extraordinary thing. That is, the Swamiji also used to say that seeing things in ordinary way is extraordinary thing. So come and experience these kind of the higher qualities, which when we are living with Swamiji, we imbibe this from Swamiji, the very Tyaga, and come and experience this aspect of sannyas by living with Swamiji, Sadashiva himself. And you also, anybody can enjoy. It is not that, oh, I am not that kind of person, I cannot give upon or myself to other people. You can be like that. But Sadashiva is there. Swamiji is there to transform you. All you have to say is being able, stable, available. He will make you as what you truly are. You no need to say, oh, I am not qualified for it. Small dust is enough for Sadashiva to make that dust as a temple tower. All you have to do is being available to Master. He will make you and take you to your real core, real potentiality is. So come and enjoy the aspects of sannyas and experience the joy of Tyaga and live long and become like Sadashiva. Thank you. Nityanandam.